So the area of a kite is 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Well, the area is 12x squared y cubed. So we'll substitute 12x squared y cubed right there. Well, they also give us what diagonal 1 is. So we'll substitute 3xy right there. We're supposed to find diagonal 2, so that is what we will solve for. We will know that we've solved for d2 when it is all by itself on the right side of the equation. So currently, what's stopping it from being by itself? The 1/2 and the 3xy. So we'll get rid of these by doing the opposite operation. The inverse operation of times 1/2 will be divided by 1/2, which is times 2. On the left, 2 times the left side is 24x squared y cubed. And on the right side, 2 times 1/2 is 1. And 1 times 3xy d2 is just 3xy d2. And now we're going to get rid of this times 3xy by doing the inverse operation. Dividing both sides times 3xy leaves us with this, which can be simplified. And on the right side, 3xy divided by 3xy is 1, leaving us with just d2. So to simplify this expression, 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. X squared divided by x is just x, and y cubed divided by y is y squared. Final answer. If you're wondering why x squared divided by x is equal to x, well, because x squared is x times x, and x divided by x is 1, so 1x is just x. And for the same reason, y cubed over y is y squared. Y cubed divided by y, these y's have a ratio of 1, so 1 times y squared is just y squared. So that's our answer, and that should do it for this one. I hope that helped.